Welcome to another video from Improve E-commerce. Okay, today's video I'll share how to resolve for this 404 not found page for Google Search Console removal. Okay, so maximum website or most important for Google Search Console, like Google Search Console or Google's indexing website, your website. Google is most popular website search engine. So most website for like a blog website, like or e-commerce website, like any one website for this one need for Google Search Console and indexing. So today's I shared this how to resolve this in not indexing found. Like you can check in this not found page, not found this 28 page with not found for this website. Okay, so how to remove this one? Okay, this section checking this 28. Okay, so I'm going to this one like you can checking. Okay, so first of all, you can click in the not found. Okay, I see affected page for 28. Okay, so I can first of all remove. For example, I can check in going to this copy, and this one I can paste here. This is I can see this two to the open site. Okay, so this not found 404. Okay, is the very most common problem for this one. Okay, so how to remove this one? First of all, you can copy, just copy, and getting the removal. Okay, then new request, then enter URL, enter URL only, remove URL and prefix, just URL only. Okay, you can check your URL only. Then next, remove URL, submit request. So first one, a request of again, and then again going to this page. This 404 28 started already. I'm clicking the one by one, then remove request, new request, then paste, then next, then submit request. Okay, so two, number three. It's same here. Okay, it's same here. Then new request and the URL. Then next, submit request. And then I can see number three, number four, new request. Okay, then submit request. Four, one, two, three, four. Number five, the new request. Okay, okay. So this procedure, your oil, all or everything, just a request procedure. I hope as soon as possible you are remove your page as soon as possible. No problem. Outbound content and surface filtering, you can just temporarily remove one. Okay. This is the best effective for this one. You can check in this one. Okay. So if you just remove this one, then you can section this 404 problem, remove for your website or everything in Search Console. So hope you the doing this oil, this need any solving from Google Search Console, GA4 and GTM and or everything for your tracking for your e-commerce website or Shopify website. All everything I can help you, no problem. I am doing for this improve e-commerce from your starting business. Thank you everyone. So this video, just a comment, this what's our opinion. Thank you everyone. Like.